Time Dutchman. Always a great song by the Good Time Dutchman. Love for Ralph and the Game played alongside them many a times. But that's just how it is.
Actually, I think there's trout in the state. Yeah, it's safe now.
Oh, okay.
Pay for it.
No, I missed your birthday. I found that out in actually Washington.
This is.
I did.
Looks like that one.
I like it because that really
Joinery, right?
it's agatine.
This is fun right here.
Oh yeah, that is neat. What is that? Naturally banded agate.
No, it was a mine out
Wow.
there.
I mean, look at that.
I know.
That's actually
So pretty.
the first time I ever.
Well, the hills of Lodi are no joke.
I like them.
I like them too.
I'm truly a flatlander, but I like the hills.
We walked to Art in the Park. It was fruitful. It was great to see all the different projects. None of us bought anything. The lady that I buy laundry soap from was supposed to be here, but I'm wondering if with the threat of rain she decided not to come. So we were sad to miss her, but anyway, we'll see her again at the Rome Farm Market, I'm sure. Ooh, it's gonna start smelling oniony.
Yeah. I was telling Rebecca I found just to try. I want it. Like salt and vinegar chips or like anything like that. I love that stuff.
Yep. BLT salad. BLT pasta salad.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Why? Running you ragged, aren't we, Joe?
Redneck finest.
This is like problem solving at its finest. That's what I say.
That's right. We got an issue here. There we go.
There's no issue you can't deal with.
Well, you know.
Good old rat strap.
How do you like them apples?
I love it. Yippee, yippee.
Who's carrying this?
We're going here.
After all of that, we have one roll of paper towel that won't
How
fit.
about this table?
Yep. Livestock in here. Right over there. Yeah.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the fifth one?
There's one in the middle and then there's
Oh, I
two in the
see.
back.